Hi, hello all. I'm your Bensi ma'am here. Today we are going to learn simple present tense in detail. Let's begin. I hope everyone knows what is meant by simple present tense. In previous video, I had been teaching you in detail about simple present tense. What are the subdivision of all tense? Simple present tense, continuous tense, perfect continuous tense. These are the branches. Past tense, present tense and future tense. These are the divisions that has been divided into all tenses. Yes or no? Last class we learnt about simple present tense. So now we are going to learn about present continuous tense. So we have to know little again to recollect all the simple present tense once again. Let's start. Yes, simple present tense. Previously, we learnt about simple present tense. It's just a small recap. Simple present tense. The rule for a simple present tense is subject plus verb. What is mean by subject? I, you, we. Ah, yes, he, she, it, they, you, them. These are the subjects. Subject plus verb. What verb? Which form of verb? Yes, V1. The root form of verb is used for simple present tense. What are the sentences that denote simple present tense? How to find out simple present tense? Habits and routines. Yes, habits means what? Daily, day to day activities that you do every day. Routines, it is also the same. You never fail to do this. I drink coffee every morning. I is the subject, drink is the verb. Showers goes to beach on Sunday. Yes, the naming word plus the root verb. Children often play video games after school. Children often play, which is the verb here, play. What are the facts? Facts are the scientifical proven facts that cannot be changed. Yes or no? Catty works as a teacher. This is a Catty's profession that we are going to say. So Catty is the naming word, works is the root verb. You sing very well. You is the subject, sings is the verb. Water boils at 100 degree Celsius. These are the proven facts that you cannot be changed. Yes or no? So, simple present tense, subject plus verb. Yes, which form of verb? Present form of verb or root verb. Let's know what is in detail about simple present tense. Some verbs had used without yes and some with yes. What are they? I, you, we, they without as the form of root verb. He, she, it verb plus yes. So by heart the students, I, you, we, they. As usual, the verb will not carry yes. He, she, it carries yes to it. Verb plus yes. I work, she works. You work, we work, they work. He works, she works, it works. So, this is the form that carries yes to the simple present tense. What is the next form of verb? Next form of tense. Simple present tense. After that, present continuous tense. So the word continue itself will you will understand that what is the factor that you're going to add to it. Yes, subject plus what is mean by be verbs. Yes, very good. I hope everyone remember the last class. Am, is, are the be verbs, or it's also called as irregular verbs. Plus verb plus ing. Yes, subject plus be verbs plus verb plus ing. Once again, subject plus be verbs. What are the be verbs? Am, is, are the be verbs plus verb plus ing. Let's begin. What is the subject that carries am? I am. Yes. He, she, it is singular. So is. You, we, they are plural. So are. I am, he, she, it is. You, we They are. So let's start. Action happening now at the time of speaking. What is mean by present continuous tense is the definition of it. Action happening now. Action that happens right now at the time of speaking. While I speak itself, the action is going on happening. So, what do? I am drinking coffee right now. So, I am. I is the subject, am is the be verb, and drink drinks the drink is the root form of the verb, and what you are going to add to it? Ing, verb plus ing. I am drinking coffee right now. Second one, we are having breakfast. We are having breakfast. We is the subject, so it is in plurals. What is the be verb that we are using? Are. Have is changed into having. Have is the simple present tense. Having is the present continuous tense. Verb plus ing. We are having breakfast. Third one. It is raining outside. What are you doing here? It is the subject. It is the be verb. Since it is the singular, so you're using is as the be verb. Rain is rain outside. So you're changing the verb into verb plus ing. It is raining outside. So you understood simple present tense. Subject plus am, is, or plus verb plus ing. So you're just using the be verb plus verb. What is the verb? Verb is the action words are called verbs. Yes. So you're adding verb plus ing. Yes. We'll go to next slide. Yes. Present continuous tense. What is the present continuous tense? We are just learning the again 4 temporary actions that we do right now. The same sentence only, but in temporary action. Arun is learning to play the guitar. Arun is at present learning. So Arun is the naming word. Is the be verb. Learn is turning into learning to play the guitar. So he is at present continuing to learn it. Yes, I am watching a real interesting TV serial at the moment. Right now, I am watching. Watch is being transformed into watching. It is a continuous tense. Verb will carry root form of the verb plus ing. You're transforming it and you're saying it as present continuous tense. So I am watching a really interesting TV serial at the moment. Sixth one, my sister is staying with us for a couple of weeks. So write this couple of weeks my sister is staying with me. So right now she is continuing to stay. She is not yet gone. She is continuing to stay for couple of a week. So continuous present simple present continuous tense. So is plus stay is the root form of verb. What are you adding? Staying. So you understood what is meant by simple present continuous tense. What seventh sentence? Changes taking place right now. So changes taking place right now. What is that? Let's start. English lessons on YouTube are coming very popular these days. Yes or no? Right now, English lessons on YouTube are, because English lessons, it is lessons. Did you notice? Yes in bit, yes there. So it is plural form. So what you'll add? Plural form of verb is are. Be verbs, what is the plural form? Are. Singular is. I will carry for am. So English lessons on YouTube are coming very popular these days. So what are you saying? English lessons on YouTube are coming popular, very popular these days. Are becoming. Sorry. English lessons on YouTube are becoming. Become will become becoming. So verb plus ing. The price of the crude oil is falling rapidly. So the price of the crude oil. So did you notice it is singular? There is no S with the crude oils. We are you just using the price of the crude oil. So it is singular. So you're going to add is falling. Verb fall will transform into falling rapidly. Scientist says that the earth is getting warmer. This is also taking place continuously. So what are you saying? Scientists say that earth is getting warmer. Did you notice? You will say scientists. There are so many scientists, miss. Then why didn't we add R to the as a B verb there? So we are not talking about scientists here. We are talking about earth here. So earth is getting warmer. So earth is the subject here. So earth is singular. Yes or no? Only one earth is there. So we are using be form of verb, that is singular form, that is with verb get is getting warmer. So this is the process that taking place right now in a continuous form. So there is no other changes in simple continuous. Shall we go on to next? Next is we learnt about all tenses. Yes or no? Now we have completed simple present tense. Now after that we completed simple continuous tense. What is next? Present perfect tense. What is the next tense we are going to learn? Present perfect tense. Let's begin. Before that, I want you to learn what is mean by V1, V2, V3. Yes or no? I was already saying V1 is the root form of the verb. What is the root form? Act, bake, behave, close, compare. These are the root form. That is, present form of verbs are root forms of verbs. What is second form of verb? That is acted, baked, behaved, closed, compared. You are just adding E to it. Yes or no? You are just adding E to it. Present, past, participle. What is the participle? V3 form of verb. V1, V2, V3. Act, acted, acted. So these are the verbs that carries past form, present, past, participle. So there are some irregular verbs. Did you notice that what is mean by irregular verbs? Here did you notice that the same spelling follows with ed. What is mean by irregular verbs? There will not be same spelling to be followed. They will take different forms of spellings. Bear, bone, bone. Okay? Beat, beat, beaten. Become, became, become. Befall, befell, befallen. Okay, these are the spellings that comes for irregular verbs that will not take the regular form of verbs. Okay, so you have to know in detail to learn about simple present tense. Yes or no? So now we are going to learn. Yes, very good. Present perfect tense. Yes. Shall we start? Present perfect tense. What is the form for present perfect tense? Let's begin. Subject. What is mean by subject? I, you, we, they, he, she, it are called subject. Plus have or has plus verb in V3 form. Did you notice? Last slide I showed you past participle. So what is a V3 form? The last form is called as V3 form. That is past participle. So V3 form of a verb is used in present perfect tense. Okay, shall we start? Subject, once again repeat the rule. Subject plus have or has plus verb. What form of verb? Past participle or V3 form of verb? Yes. What all will come under have and what all will come under has? Did you notice that in the first simple present tense itself we learned what all the words that carries the verb as the same, what all the subject that carries verb with yes. The same way, even this also has a rule. I, you, we, they has used with the verb have. I, you, we, they comes for have. He, she, it has. Once again, I, you, we, they, have. He, she, it, has. So let's go on with the sentences. I have taught English to many students. You may say, I has taught, teach. These are the common errors that we make with simple tense. Yes or no? We will talk about simple perfect tense right now. So what should you do? Subject plus have or has plus V3 form of verb. So what will come here? I have taught. It's not teach. You're not using V1, you're using V3. I have taught. Past participle form of verb. I have taught. You may ask me, why are we using past tense here, ma'am? So this is the tense that comes in between of completion of simple present tense. Okay, so it also takes up the part of simple past participle. Okay, so we are doing the action at present, but the action is continuing every time. I have taught English to many students. I am still teaching. Okay, so you are making the sentence to be as present perfect tense, not as past tense. So you are changing it by using have and has. I hope you understood, students. First sentence, I have taught English to many students. Second one, Ashley has visited France 4 times. She may again visit. So it is simple perfect tense. So Ashley has. Ashley is a singular noun. That is single subject. Yes, no, no. Ashley is one person. So subject is single. So singular will carry has. Yes or no? Ashley has visited France 4 times. We have seen 2 movies this week. We have seen 2 movies this week. Did you notice that it is not in the past tense, but it is also in the present tense? So it carries the past participle of the verb and has the present form of verb also. So we have at present we have seen 2 movies this week. Yes, these are the forms that we are doing it. Let me explain in detail again. Experiences. These are the experiences that you do every time. I have taught English to many students. What is the second form? I taught many students when I was a teacher. The career is at most continuing. It is continuing at present. So we are saying that at the past as well as at the present, it is in the middle. So we are saying I taught many students when I was a teacher. Ashley has visited France 4 times. Ashley visited France in 2015. Sorry, 2015. We have seen 2 movies this week. We saw 2 movies last week. So we are making these sentences. First form is what? Present perfect tense. Second form is past tense. Did you notice? Thought. Second one, Ashley has visited France. Ed to it. And third one, we saw 2 movies. So first one is perfect tense. Second one is past tense. So the action is taken place in the past. We used Ashley visited France in 2015. We saw 2 movies last week. And previously we are making the tense as simple perfect tense. What are you using? Have and has to it. Okay. Yes. Next, recent action or events to be continued. What are the recent actions that we are using? I have finished my homework. You recently finished your homework. What is the past form of it? I finished my homework at 6:30 p.m. So I have finished my homework is the present perfect tense. I finished my homework is the past tense. Artho has lost his glasses. So has, if it comes to has or have, it is present perfect tense. if you're using the same sentence with the past tense, also lost his glasses at the party. The police have arrested a young man in contact with the robbery. The police arrested the young man last night in contact with the robbery. So this comes under the past, and second one comes under the, first one comes under the perfect tense, present perfect tense. Second one comes under the present past tense. Okay, so we are just adding ed to it. You're making the tense by a verb by adding ed to it and past form of the verb. So the entire action is being changed and you are writing it as a past tense. So you may understand what is simple present perfect tense and past tense. Yes or no? Yes. Present perfect continuous tense. Now we are going to learn in detail present perfect continuous tense. Okay, let's start. Subject plus have or has been plus verb plus ing. So now we are going to add subject plus has or have plus verb plus ing. Action that starts in the past are still to be continuing. Actions that started in the past are still continuing. I have been. This is the rule. Has been, have been. I have been waiting to see the doctor for 2 hours or since 5 hours. So you're just writing. What will you write? I am waiting. These are the mistakes that we commit. I am waiting to see the doctor for 2 hours. What will you do actually? I have been waiting to see the doctor for 2 hours. Yes, this is the correct answer. So we are just using simple present perfect tense to this. Okay, she has been learning English for 8 months. What 8 months means? Since October. So since October she is learning it. We have been living in this town for very long time. Very long time. Since 1980s. It has been raining all mornings since 4 p.m. Okay, this is the actual sentence and this is the actual time to be continuing from the past. Okay, have been waiting, has been playing, has been learning, have been living, has been raining. These are the present perfect continuous tense. I hope you understood, students. We are just changing it to by putting subject plus have plus been plus verb plus ing. Okay? Yes. Thank you.
Yeah.